Yeah, so we have done till here in our previous video, right? So we have done till here. So now what we will do is, so this images all should come towards the left and right. It is like, see, left and one image is left and one image is right. So for that, what we will be doing is, first I'll go for CSS file. What is the name which I have given for this container? I'll take that feature container of nth child should be odd and flex decoration row reverse. See, now you will get this output. So this is perfect, right? So I'll open Netflix. See, similar, right? So now we will be creating this one. Okay, so for that I'll be taking another session tag, I'll take all these first letters, it is FAQ, class as FAQ main container. Okay, next what I'll be doing is, so I have taken one container. For that container, again I'll be giving this border line first. So I'll go for CSS, I'll copy this, I'll give border top as 8px solid and RGB, the same previous color which I have given earlier. So what's our output? Sorry, see, this is what the output which I have got now. I've got the border down. So I'll give the height and width for this container. I'll give only width. Width is equals to 100%. Okay, so inside that again I'll take another div that is will be called as, so first I'll take one heading tag, that is h1 tag, for giving this heading. Okay, where is that site? Yeah, I'll be giving this heading. I'll copy this, I'll paste it. will get the heading. I'll be giving the height and width for that. So before that I'll mention the thing, that is FRQ head. So now I'll be giving the font height. Font size is equals to some TPX and text align. I need to align the text in center. So I need to align the text in center. So I have aligned it in center. Okay. And also I'll give some margin 20 px. Okay, done. Instead of giving margin 20 px, you can give here cap is equals to 20 px. So it applies for all. Okay, don't need to give here, wait. Don't need to give there, so you give here only, because it is giving upside of this, not over here. So here the next thing what you can do is I'll take another div for this, for creating this whole thing from 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, and also this search to start. Okay, get start we'll be doing till here. So for that I'll take one container, I'll give the name, that is FRQ container. So inside that I'll be taking container list. Okay, so here I'll be taking another div that will be called class FRQ container. So like that, how much containers I need? So I need 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So I'll be taking 6 of this. So I'll be taking it later only. So first I'll complete one and then I'll be copying it, the same one. So what I'll be doing here is, for the first thing here, see, if I click here, there is some drop down. Okay, so since we are not using JS, I'll not be using drop down. I'll be using hover effort, and I'll be teaching you how to do. So when you hover on this, it will come. You like, see, when you hover on that, it will come. You don't need to click. Okay, so I'll give you one small example. So what is that? I'll take one button. So inside that button I'll be giving you okay, I'm not able to take this. Okay, I'll just type whatever it is. Take one h4 tag inside this. I'll put what is T NETFIX and one question mark. So there's a question mark. Yeah, I'll be giving one question mark. So that's it. And I need this icon, right? So for that I'll be going for font awesome. I didn't copy the link, so I have gone to the font awesome, and then I'll be taking this one. So when you go and if you click over here, see, you will be getting this. Click on this, you will get copied. Just come and paste it. So see, you will be getting it. Okay, just a minute. I have used a different link, I think so. Yeah. Okay. So here what I'll be doing is just a minute. I'll copy the same link. So I have copied the same link. See, from here only have copied. I copied it and have pasted it. Okay, so you're getting that symbol in the output. So you're getting it. So now what I'll be doing is, for this class q title, for this f4q title, what I'll be giving is okay. I didn't give the height and width for this also, right? So this is inside the after. So for this I'll be giving 100% of width first, 100% width is equals to 100%. Okay, then I'll also be giving parallelly, like I'll be using display flex, so on. And for this container I'll be giving width is equals to 50, or I'll give 80%, and 20%, and background color I'll give something brown, and here for this I'll give background color that is blue. So now you will come to know, see there is one blue color thing, on that I'll be using the brown color. So here I'll be using, in this container I'll be using display flex, justify content center. Okay, now it is in center. Yeah, now that is in center. Now I'll be taking one like I'll be giving I'll be giving here also display flex, justify content space between. So why have given space between? Okay, so before that I'll be no sorry, for not for this I'll be giving with yeah I'll be giving padding 3%, and so I have given padding is equals to 3%. So width of that button should be 100%, and here I'll make this as for title I'll be giving display flex and justify content space between. Okay, see now you have got. So I'll reduce this to 2%. So now this is cool. I'll give the font size so that is of H4, font size is equals to 20px, what if I give here? Okay, I'll give it directly so it will apply for both the things. Okay, so this is looking quite good. So what is the next thing I want is I need some content, that is this one. So when I click on that or when I hover on that, I need this content. So I'll copy this I'll take two para tags. I'll cover it here. So just you guys will confuse. Okay. Think now it is clear. See, have taken one para and have given the content. So how your output is looking now? See, it is looking like this. So now what I'll be giving is I'll be giving the font size for the para tags. For this para tag I'll be giving font size. So for that, parent of the tag is, what is that parent tag? That's font FRE title of P. Both the tags I'll target and I will give font size is equals to 20px and padding is equals to 20px. I'll take cap is equals to 20px. Okay, I have taken a different thing. So I should take this container. Padding is equals to width is equals to 100%. Padding is equals to px. I'll take more as 20px. So no need to give this, anyway it will cover. Okay, this is cool, right? If I want, I can increase the font size also. Yeah, I'll be increasing the font size to 30px. So how it looks, or next as font size to 25px. Yeah, this is good. So top also I'll be changing to 25px. So this is cool, done, right? So how to hide this, and I'll be giving some colors for this, that is background color is equal to gray, and in gray I'll be choosing yeah, similar to this color, something like 35, 35, 35 you can give. 35 and 35, yeah, this color, it's similar to this, and I'll give border, border, so I'll give the same color, or else you can give anything. So before giving that color you should mention the thickness, that is 1 px, so that should be solid. So okay, have given the border also. Now I'll be giving the color for this. So this container color should be the same of this, or else you can pass it here also. Background color, okay, and I'll be giving one div for this, or else I'll give directly over here only. I'll not take this div. For this paragraph tag I'll take style tag, and I'll give you one background, no, border top, that is equals to 1 px, why, what is error? Just a minute guys. The style is equals to border top, that is 1 px solid, I'll give black. So does it is applied, yeah, see, okay. And I'll be giving the background for I'll make this as black, so don't need to give there black. I'll make this as 2px, and if you give this you don't need to give here. I'll leave it. It's okay. You don't need to give if you give here. So it is being separated. So I need to hide this. Okay, this is the main thing which you should know. I'm using only HTML, CSS, and I'll be doing. So I'll be using the hover property. That is for this container. That is for this container. This container I'll be giving. So before that I'll make maximum height of that should be some 90 px, and I'll make it as overflow hidden. I'll make this as some 85, 80, 78. Yes, this is bit perfect, guys. So I'll be using the same thing only. So now what I'll be doing is this one I'll change the color because the background is same only. So yeah, same some color I have given. So this is looking good only. So I'll keep it same, and I'll change this color. That is, I'll give for button, I'll give white, sorry, color is equal to white. Okay, so this is good. So when you hover on this, the height will increase. Okay, so I will take one hover property and will make height is equals to, that is maximum height, okay, maximum height is equals to some 300 px. So is this 300 px enough? Yeah. Done. So this is how it works, guys. So similarly what we have to do for the next thing is same here. For the next thing, till here, from the container to next, I'll copy paste 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 things, so I've copy paste it. Now I'll come back. See, it is showing like this because I didn't use the display flex property here. So I didn't mention display flex property for the parent of FRQ container. So what is the parent of FRQ container is container list. FRQ container list, and I'll give, see, I have given display flex, justify content center, and flex flow column. So if I give this, it will come in column and line item centered. See, I've got right. So now you have to just give the thing, and here I need some gap between each other, so gap is equals to 20 px. So this is cool now. Okay, so what I'll be doing now is just I will change all the things. So where I should go, sorry, I'll be going here. I'll take this content, so here I need only one. Okay, this is, I'll go back, come here. So this is the second one. So I'll remove one para tag. Maybe okay. Yes, done. And so the second thing is done. I should change the title of this. So what is the title? That is how much does Netflix, sorry, Netflix cost? Okay, so you have got here, done. And the same thing, next thing, this is third one. I'll be changing it to where can I watch? Where can I watch? And the next thing is coming down. This is fourth one. How do I cancel? How do I cancel? And what can I watch on Netflix? that is what can I watch on Netflix. And another thing, what Netflix good for? Is Netflix good for kids? Is Netflix for kids? Okay, and I'll change all the contents now. Okay, this is done, and the coming top one, we'll copy this, we'll go back, I'll remove one para tag, paste it, and go back. This is fifth one. Okay, in fifth one again there is only one, so I'll remove this, okay, done. Here again 2, okay, done. So everything is done. Okay, see, you're getting it. So here I need to give some, I'll give some 350px, the maximum height, where is that? That is, I'll give 350px. So done. This clear. Think this, the gap between this is more. I can reduce that also by making this as 10. Okay, now See, as soon as I hover on this, it is showing of that same content, it will show. Okay, so I'll remove the background color, then it looks good. Done now. That part is done. Now I'll be adding the heading of this. I'll take one heading tag. So how it is looking now. Yeah, so I'll be using inline CSS for this. Style, font size is equals to some 40px. I think 40px is too big. I'll make it as 20px, and align item, or no, text align center. So it is got aligned. So I'll put it. I'll put it over here. So now it is cool, because why I put there means I have given the gap there, no? So see, it is good. Now I'll put the same thing. This one I have already created. So what I'll do, I'll come back to my previous code, that is here. That is the email form container, the email form container which you have created over here, right? Here, the same thing, I'll copy paste it. Done. Go and check the output. See, you have got your wonderful output. Done now. So now is the main thing that every web pages will be having, that is footer. The footer part is main. So we will be creating the footer part now. So for that, I'll be taking the new tag called as footer. I'll give class as footer. I'll also parallelly open the CSS. Okay. Here I'll take footer